In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a test order on Shopify with Stripe. Open your browser and go to admin.shopify.com. Once your Shopify admin loads, move to the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click Settings. Inside the Settings area, look to the menu on the left and click Payments. This opens the Payments page, where you can see Shopify Payments listed as your payment provider. In the Shopify Payments section, click Credit Card and Debit Card. After that page opens, scroll down until you reach the Test Mode section. Find the toggle for Enable Test Mode and switch it on. Then move to the bottom right corner and click Save. After saving, a confirmation banner appears. At this point, Test Mode is active, which means the store can only process test transactions and not real payments. Now move back to the left sidebar and click Sales Channels, or locate Online Store if it is already visible there. Next to Online Store, click the eye icon. This opens your storefront in a new tab. In the storefront, click the test product you want to use. When the product page opens, click Add to Cart. Go to the cart icon in the top right corner of the storefront and click it. Inside the cart, click Checkout. You will now arrive at the checkout page. In the Contacts section, click into the email field and enter a test email address. Say the address naturally as you type it so the entry has enough time to appear on screen, but do not use any real personal email. Move down to the Delivery section. Click into the first address field and begin entering the test shipping details. Type the name in the name field. Then enter the street address in the address field. Continue to the city field and type the city name. Enter the postal code in the postal code field. If there is a state or region field, type that as well. If a phone field is shown, enter a test phone number rather than any real number. Complete each field one at a time until the delivery address is fully filled in. Once the shipping details are complete, look for the available shipping methods. Select any available shipping method that appears on the page. After that, click Continue to Payment. On some checkouts, the payment section may load automatically below, so if it does, stay on the same page and continue there. In the Payment section, make sure credit card is selected as the payment method. Click into the card number field and enter the Stripe test card number provided for testing. Read the digits steadily as they are typed so the card entry keeps pace with the narration. Then move to the expiration date field and enter any future expiration date. After that, click into the security code field and enter any 3-digit security code. Next, click into the name on card field and type the cardholder name. When all payment fields are filled in, click Pay Now, or click Complete Order if that is the button shown on your checkout. Shopify then processes the transaction in test mode. Wait for the page to finish loading. When the checkout completes successfully, you will see the order confirmation page, sometimes called the thank you page. This confirms that the test payment went through successfully. Now go back to your Shopify admin tab. In the left sidebar, click Orders. The newest order should appear at the top of the list. Click that new order to open its details. Inside the order detail page, look for the test badge. That badge confirms this was processed as a test transaction. On this same page, you can see the order total, the payment status marked as paid, and the test information entered during checkout. No real money was charged for this order. After verifying the order, return to Settings, then Payments. Open the Shopify Payments area again by clicking Credit Card and Debit Card. Scroll back down to the Test Mode section. Turn off the Enable Test Mode toggle. Then click Save in the bottom right corner. This returns your store to live payment processing so it can accept real payments again. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this stage, the test order has been placed, confirmed, and verified in Shopify Admin. The Orders page shows the completed order with the test badge, and Shopify Payments test mode has been turned off so the store is ready for live transactions again.